Ladies and gentlemen, those who use your Mac computers, today I noticed that the application called Booking and Rental Cars was installed into my Mac without my personal intention. This happened when I mistakenly downloaded and installed some version of Adobe Flash Player. Basically, the pop-up came in my Google Chrome browser, which mentioned that I need to perform some urgent update of Flash Player, supposedly to watch the video content. And basically it was my mistake to agree with that proposal, so eventually it has hijacked my browser, and it also installed this Booking and Rental Cars program. By the way, you may notice this application in your Mac computer in the list of available programs. Here it is. I've made it highlighted. Now, I'm not in the position to judge whether this program is good or bad. Probably it is quite decent. However, the problem is that Booking and Rental Cars application was bundled with freeware. I didn't intend to install this application at all, and as I said, it came up through fake Adobe Flash Player update alert and installer. However, additionally, this software is spread through being bundled with free programs, and this is the typical way through which many other potentially unwanted programs are spread. So it's your personal decision whether to remove this program or to keep it. I recommend you to remove it right away. You go to your Finder, to Applications, then you find this Booking Rental Cars application and move it to the trash. It might mention that the program is in use because it's open, so you click on Command Option and Escape hotkey on your Mac to open the Force Quit Applications window, and you make this Booking Rental Cars program highlighted and click on Force Quit. After you have done that, you may immediately move Booking Rental Cars application to the trash. You might need to specify your administrator password for that purpose. So that's what I have just done. And finally, it is in the trash. Now, unfortunately, since this program was installed without my direct intention, it's quite possible that there are some other malicious programs also remaining in my computer. And if that's the case, I recommend you to scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the download link, combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner software from this website using this green download button. And after you do that, I'll start the program. And here's the way it looks like. I'm going to show it to you in a second. Okay, here it is. It's called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has two versions, the regular one and the premium version that has the antivirus feature enabled. Wait until the program performs its important antivirus update, and then once the update is successfully completed, click on Start Combo Scan button to check how safe your computer is and whether it is free of other threats that might be inside. So I first showed you the manual way to remove that Booking Rental Cars program, and now it's another excellent solution to scan your Mac with the automatic system cleaner, Combo Cleaner. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye.